Amata AI Dating App Matchmaking Club. So here you can see where has dating gone. So you can see in here for intentional daters only. We organize dates, not superficial conversation leading nowhere. On Amada, each entry is a date so that you can meet as soon as possible in real life. We also organize events where everyone get into during the event with their most compatible partner. And then you can just tap in here. So this is the app Matchmaking Club. Quite new trending app. You can just take a look in here. Amata Matchmaking Club. Find the people mad for you. Your AI gets you and tailors your search. No digital small talk, straight to a real date. Your AI organizes date for you and gets feedback to improve suggestions. So here you can see discovery, search, rendezvous. We handle everything. The debrief, share how your date went. So it's just using AI to do matchmaking for you. AI will introduce you to people truly right for you. We cut the digital small talk, handle everything. So yeah, it's getting some traction on TikTok, and then you can just. So that's how the process. There is application process, and let's see how it works. And one-on-one dates, but yeah, it's only in New York, as I understand. So apply